Lightning Labels is the source for high-quality, premium custom candle labels. Lightning Labels can provide candle makers and retailers with custom candle labels that are durable, flame-resistant, and able to withstand extreme heat while giving your products a superior look to drive sales for your candle brand. Our state-of-the-art printing process ensures graphics are crisp and photo quality. From bright primary colors to earthy tones, vibrant colors on candle labels will reflect the professionalism of your brand, and your custom candle label will stand out against the competition. We have thousands of dies in multiple sizes and various shapes, and offer many options for materials and laminates. Along with minimum quantities as low as 50 and lightning fast turnaround, we also provide free ground shipping for online orders. Plus, every account is assigned a dedicated account manager for personalized customer service. All this comes with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. So when you're in need of premium custom candle labels, look no further than Lightning Labels. Lightning Labels has been servicing the needs of our customers for over 16 years. We are extremely proud of our A+ rating from the Better Business Bureau and guarantee your custom label buying experience with us will be a positive one.